Hello everyone, this is Kieran from Gizmochina. Recently we received the ZeaPlus Buds for review, a new pair of wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation that sold for just $49 USD. We were a bit skeptical at first regarding its active noise cancellation feature, but after testing it for some time, we found that it's an impressive wireless earbud, especially considering its extremely affordable price. Given how surprised we were with these $50 earbuds, we partnered with ZeaPlus to give away 5 pairs of ZeaPlus buds, and all you need to do is click the subscribe button and follow the steps below. We will be doing a lot of giveaways for you to experience the latest products with us. And what's more, ZeaPlus has announced an amazing 50% discount on their homepage for the first 1,000 buyers. So if you're lucky, you can get it at around 25 USD. Now let's see how it performs. ZeaPlus Buds stands out not because it has extraordinary features, but because it has brought features such as active noise cancelling at an extremely cheap price tag. Last year, earbuds with active noise cancellation retailed for more than $120, which was more than what a regular customer was willing to spend on his or her earphones. We didn't really have any cheap options available, but surprisingly, as the technology has matured, now companies like ZeaPlus can add active noise cancellation for less than half the price. First, let's see what's inside the box of the ZeaPlus Buds. There's a charging case with the buds, a manual, 1 USB-C cable, and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips at the bottom. At first glance, it looks very much like the Apple Airpods Pro, and even has almost all the similar features with the AirPods Pro. Not just active noise cancelling, but at just $49, the ZeaPlus Buds even includes a case with wireless charging. The small difference from the AirPods Pro is that the ZeaPlus Buds are a bit lighter. Even as I wore them for the entire day, they fit in my ears without any discomfort. The in-ear design is also very similar to the AirPods Pro, which provides excellent fit to solve the pressure problem once you also choose the right size of tips for your ears. What really surprised us is the hearing experience with active noise cancellation and the transparent mode. Before actually using it, we didn't really believe that such a pair of budget wireless buds can achieve both noise cancelling and transparent mode. Although the noise cancelling feature is not as good as what the AirPods Pro can provide, it's already made a difference to reduce a lot of surrounding noises. At a rough estimate, the efficiency of reducing background noises can be around 50% of the effect achieved by the AirPods Pro, but it's still not able to completely remove some loud sounds and annoying noises like heavy traffic and roaring engines. On the other hand, the transparency mode gives you a more natural feeling as it tries to reproduce the environment sounds without taking off the buds. And the ZeaPlus Buds did it well enough for me to forget I was wearing the earbuds. Generally, it can be used when you want to know what's happening in your surroundings, or want to have conversations with others without taking off the buds. I usually turn on the transparent mode when I exercise outdoors, but out of politeness, I would still take off the ZeaPlus Buds when I talk to someone face to face, although it's not necessary. As for sound quality, we'd like to say it's worth the price. It was able to play back low and mid frequencies pretty well, providing an enjoyable experience. Along with active noise cancellation, the immersive vibe delivered by the buds turned out to be much better than what we expected from a budget wireless earbuds. Also, I think that cancelling noise interference helps deliver an immersive sound experience. The Buds supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which has a wide compatibility for Android or iOS devices. And it surprisingly supports AAC Bluetooth codec, which is almost the best option right now for high quality wireless audio. But pay attention here, you need to make sure that your Play devices also support AAC codec to deliver high quality audio. Now all the iPhones support Bluetooth AAC codec. For devices with Android O operating system, you are also able to select AAC, which is a new setting in the developer options. And during a couple of hours of use, the ZeaPlus Buds had pretty stable signal, but with slight sound latency. It should be fine under most conditions, but it probably won't be so comfortable if you're gaming. In actual use, the battery life is pretty impressive. The Buds provided around 4 hours of listening time with a single charge, and the full charge case could provide over 20-hour use time else. And the charging case also supports wireless charging, for which the charging time would be a bit longer, but trust me, once you are used to the cable-free life, you will definitely love wireless charging. So that's what we found out about the ZeaPlus Buds. No doubt it looks so similar to the AirPods Pro, but what really shocked us is that it also performed well for its price. Although the functions didn't exactly catch up with what the AirPods Pro can do, it's still one of the most impressive wireless earbuds at just $25. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and join the giveaway. You have a good chance of winning the giveaway as we're not a huge channel with a large audience. And if you really like the ZeaPlus Buds, make sure to check out the 50% discount before you buy it. Thanks for watching, this is Kieran from Gizmochina, we'll see you soon.